So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change name on tickets on Easyjet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Easyjet account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Easyjet? Launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type easyjet.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Easyjet. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on sign up. Follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic window or homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to change name on ticket on Easyjet. From the home screen staring at you, check the top corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple tabs which include flight info, holidays, cars and transfers, business, booking.com, and manage booking. So head over to the manage bookings tab. You're going to find three categories which include flight bookings, hotel and car bookings, of Easyjet holiday bookings. Now head over to the flight bookings. You have an extended menu which include check-in online, amend my flight, reserve a seat, add held baggage, amend name, add sports equipment, and help and info. So I'd like you to go ahead and click on amend name. That takes you to this window. So you can click on view bookings, and you're going to find the booking or your bookings. So go ahead and select the flight that you want to make changes on. And once you do that, it's going to take you to a category. It's going to take you to a window where you have the category of changing your name on your ticket. So go ahead and click on change name and follow through with the on-screen prompt to change your name. Make changes to your name, amend your name. You can find it right here in this my bookings window. So that's how you can update your information. Just head over here, find your flight, locate change name, and change your name. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.